Welcome to the Gathering Weekly Nightly News with your host, This Justin Woods, co-anchor Clarity Hill, weather with Sadie Lightning Bolton, will they win Mesner with the sports, and your on-the-scene reporter, me. Here's your news team live.
Hello, welcome to the Gathering Weekly Nightly News.
I'm Claire and this is Justin.
Yeah, and we're here to give you that news. So first off, we have the Mission Dominican meeting that will be Monday, January 29th. So not this Monday, but next Monday.
The President's Day Dodgeball Tournament is...
Never mind.
Where are we?
What just happened here?
I don't know. Hi guys. There will be a President's Dodgeball Tournament on President's Day, February the 19th. You should be there. Should be fun and cool and stuff like that.
Gotta support them presidents. Now to the weather.
Hello, my name is Ding Dong Shmoofana, and I am here to do the weather today. I was, found here in Illinois on my vacation, actually. I came from Siberia and, came here to the beautiful weather in Illinois, and they debunked me because it's actually colder here than in Siberia right now, so. But so yes, it's very, very cold, and also the Super Bowl is coming up soon, I believe, February 4th. I hear the Patriots of New England will probably be going because they're the best team in the NFL. That is what I was told. But yes, that is your weather today, USA.
Now to sport. Just kidding, I'm at sports. Lightning McQueen won the Indy 500. The Chicago Blues, they won the Pistons Stanley Cup. The Los Angeles Celtics, they won the NFL trophy. And I think that's it.
I have just gotten word that we are going to a zoo on our free day at Move, so you should all of you should sign up. It'll be a great time that you're not going to want to miss.
That's your news.
Your weekly nightly news.
Wow, okay. That was weird.
Is that new perfume?